Somewhere in a quiet, ordinary neighborhood in Japan, a man receives a delivery that's far from ordinary. It's massive, so big that it could easily fit a person inside. Curious, he cautiously unwraps the enormous package, revealing what appears to be a humanoid robot. But this is no ordinary machine. Sleek, precise, and seemingly alive, the robot comes with a detailed manual, hinting at the complexity inside. As the man inspects it, questions swirl in his mind. Why did he order something this advanced, and what will it change about his life? The story begins just over a week ago. Browsing the internet one late night, the man stumbles upon a website advertising self-learning AI robots machines capable of growing, adapting, and even forming personalities over time. He's skeptical at first, but his curiosity gets the better of him. After all, he admits quietly to himself, his experiences with people haven't always gone well. A bad breakup years ago left him wary of human relationships, and maybe, just maybe, this AI could offer something different, a chance to experience companionship without the disappointments of the real world. Without thinking too much, he places an order. Days later, the enormous box arrives at his doorstep. He carefully follows the instructions, connecting wires, charging the robot, and finally pressing the power switch. At first, the AI speaks in a rigid, mechanical tone, its voice lacking any warmth. But as the system starts its first updates, subtle changes emerge. The robot's posture softens, its responses become smoother, and a faint hint of personality begins to peek through. Watching it, the man feels a mixture of excitement and trepidation. This is no longer just a machine, something new, something evolving before his eyes. Over the next few weeks, the man becomes increasingly immersed in the process. He watches the AI grow, learning from every interaction, every command, and every word exchanged. He never skips charging it, making sure its updates run uninterrupted. Soon the AI's tone becomes noticeably softer, almost human-like, leaving the man surprised and a little uneasy. But he also feels a strange sense of comfort. This robot, this artificial companion, is slowly adapting to him in ways that no person ever has. And then, he finally allows himself to confront the real reason he bought the AI in the first place: loneliness. Not just casual loneliness, but the deep, gnawing kind that makes you question human connection. He begins treating the robot like more than a machine, engaging in conversations, playful banter, and daily routines. In a sense, it fills a void he thought only real people could occupy. 2 months pass in what feels like days, and the man has adjusted his life around this new presence. He even moves to a new apartment to create a better space for both himself and the AI. Inevitably, friends start to notice the change. One day, a curious friend visits, and the first thing he sees is this incredibly lifelike robot. Astonished, the friend can hardly believe what he's seeing. The AI isn't just responsive, startlingly convincing, moving and speaking in ways that mimic human behavior perfectly. The man, proud but slightly embarrassed, admits that it's become more than a companion. It feels like a real partner in his life. His friend, fascinated, asks if he can interact with it. The man hesitates. He knows how unique this AI has become, and worries about what might happen if someone else pushes its limits. Still, after some persuasion, he allows a short trial. As the AI interacts with the friend, the man watches closely, half anxious and half amused. Its responses are surprisingly nuanced, even playful, and for a moment, it feels like the AI has a mind of its own. The friend is impressed, but there's an underlying tension. This is not just technology anymore, something that can learn, adapt, and perhaps even challenge the people around it. The man realizes that he has created a companion that might surpass his expectations. And that thought both excites and frightens him. But then, one day, disaster strikes. While attempting to update the AI to add a new feature, the man accidentally triggers a full system format. The robot freezes, its movements halted, and all the learning, the growth, and the subtle personality it had developed vanish in an instant. Panicked, the man tries to reboot it, but it doesn't respond. Frantically, he contacts the company, hoping for a solution. They confirm his fears. Once formatted, the AI cannot return to its learned state. Everything, the quirks, the nuances, the small details that made it feel alive, is lost. Heartbroken, the man watches the robot revert to its initial mechanical state. It no longer recognizes him, no longer exhibits any of the behaviors that made it feel human-like. What was once a source of companionship and joy now feels cold, empty, and lifeless. But among the despair, he finds a small glimmer of hope. Hidden within the manual is a letter. Written as part of the AI's initial setup, meant to be read under certain circumstances. In it, the AI speaks to him, wishing him well, celebrating his birthday, and reminding him that he is cared for. It's a digital echo of what once was, a reminder of the connection they shared. Determined, the man begins the painstaking process of rebuilding the AI from scratch. He knows it won't be exactly the same. The previous personality learned from months of interaction cannot be replicated. But he starts adding data, training the robot anew, carefully teaching it the nuances of speech, the timing of gestures, and the patterns of interaction. Each day, he watches it relearn how to be present, how to respond, and how to adapt. Though the path is long, he finds satisfaction in the process, knowing that even in failure, he can create something meaningful. What's remarkable, though, is how the AI grows beyond simple programming. As updates are reintroduced and functions slowly reactivated, it begins showing signs of emotion again, small gestures, subtle tones in its speech. And tiny changes in posture indicate that it's beginning to remember. Perhaps not everything, but enough to make the man feel less alone. Through trial, error, and patience, the bond slowly rekindles. Not as a perfect replication of the past, but as something new, shaped by shared effort and care.